Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you CashApp Alternatives. Before we start, I must say that I'm not paid by any of these companies to say that, oh my god, you should definitely use, let's say, PayPal or Venmo before CashApp is da 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 da. No, these are just like simple video in which you're gonna get a more broad perspective of how you can make money or how you can send money. So let's start. So the first one and the biggest like competition of CashApp is PayPal. And there's like good pluses and minuses. Mobile application is user-friendly, yes. It's really simple to create PayPal account. You can also buy crypto with it if you want to, but I don't really recommend doing that. If you send money to a family member, there are no fees. PayPal's strong encryption technology keeps accounts secure. This is true, but there are some disadvantages, and like I have plenty of corporations that I need to use PayPal because they send me money there. But if it would be possible, I would be using something different, like, I don't know, Stripe. I wouldn't be using PayPal, but it is what it is. PayPal charges both shoppers and business owners a fee for using its service. This is something I don't like. And PayPal got such a huge fees if you want to send money or receive it. It's like, man, like they have also, I don't know if you're from the US or you're from somewhere else, there is something like conversion fee. And PayPal got their own conversion fee. So if I buy something from the US, I'm from the Europe, and I pay with a euro, I lose so much money if it's like in thousands of dollars in conversion fees. It's like crazy. PayPal has the ability to freeze your account. Yes, this is true. Sometimes what can happen is that they're going to freeze your account. That's why I don't recommend having any money on PayPal account. Like, withdraw everything you can. Always don't have it there. And the Better Business Bureau, PayPal has a B rating, reports complaints about PayPal's customer service. This is true too. But from my experience, I always solved most of the things with the PayPal. Yes, sometimes it's hard, but a lot of times I really solved what I needed to solve. When the problem is really complicated in that regard, it can be a problem. So this is PayPal. Now, the next one is a Venmo. These are to work from your like smartphone, of course, understandable. Then easy way to split bill with friends and family. Payments are made and received almost immediately. That's also with the PayPal, I mean. So that's pretty great. Now with Venmo, what are some disadvantages? You can send money only through the app. Users are hit with 3% fee if they send money using credit card. You have to change your settings if you want extra privacy. So that's something you should definitely keep in mind. But again, Venmo is a really great way how you can pay people, and you can use it too if you want to. The next one, okay, Zelle. Zelle, most large banks like Chase and Wells Fargo offer Zelle. You can send money from your laptop, off your smartphone, offer same-day transfers. There are no fees for sending or receiving money with Zelle. So Zelle is like really top notch and really great way how we can use it even when the banks are covering it. So that's something you should definitely keep in mind. And now either the recipient of the funds or the sender both must have access to Zelle through their bank account. So this is like, when they don't have it, you can actually send, like if they don't use Zelle, you can send the money. You can only send funds through Zelle from one designed bank account. So yeah, I mean, it's like, okay, if the more banks are going to use it. So that's something you should definitely keep in mind. The next one, Google Pay, sorry. No fees to send money to friends and family on Google Play. Integrates easily with Google products. That's completely true. Easy to use from a laptop or smartphone. And is not widely accepted as other payment apps. Yes, like some companies are accepting Google Pay, some don't. So that's something really important. And can take 24 hours or longer to receive funds. So for what I actually use Google Pay is that when I have YouTube Premium on my account on YouTube, I got it charged on my mobile service. So it's like paid from Google Pay, and then I just have to pay it in my invoice. So in that regard, it's really effective for me and really good that I don't have to link my card. It's like I just see it in my invoice on mobile, and it's really huge. And I would definitely recommend like using Google Pay for it, and is like really effective. So yeah, if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And as you can see, there are like fees. So PayPal got no fees. It's like they have fees, but it's like hidden a little bit. And now PayPal is domestic and foreign, Venmo domestic, domestic, domestic. So Google Pay also domestic and foreign transactions. So yeah, I mean, they don't have really fees. What they have is when the transaction fees. So that's something you should definitely keep in mind. There's something flying here. So if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. And yep. So let me down below in comments also, like, what is the reason why you're using Cash App and what kind of app we're gonna use too. I mean, from my perspective, I definitely recommend like everyone have PayPal. Like PayPal is a really great thing to use, but they have some problems there, and don't just leave money on PayPal. To summarize it, PayPal is fine, but don't leave money with the customer support, and they can like delete your account anytime. So I'll be really careful about it. Venmo is good too. And I mean, Venmo, plenty of people are using it, so you can use it too if you want to. Cash App, of course, Zelle, only domestic. Zelle is used mostly with banks. There is one disadvantage is that the opposite side needs to use Zelle too to actually get the money. And Google Pay, Facebook Messenger is pretty straightforward with the Google Pay. That's a great way how we can actually send and receive money, mainly send. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.